Hi guys, and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I will show you how to convert USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet. So if you are just a starter in using Trust Wallet for your Bitcoins, watch this video and it will definitely help you. So without further ado, let's start and head on to our Trust Wallet app. So open your Trust Wallet app and you will see here your wallet and all the connected cryptocurrencies. And what you need to do to convert USDT to TRX is click the swap icon here and you can see the you pay and you get. So in the you pay, just click that one and search for USDT. So wait for it to load, and here you can choose among of the USDT. Here I'm just gonna choose this one, and then you need to choose TRX, right? So when you type TRX here, it does not show. So the next thing that you need to do is go back to your Trust Wallet page and then click Browse. So in the Browse section, you need to type pancakeswap.finance/swap. So as you can see, it's in my history. So once you're there, just click search and you are now headed to the PancakeSwap. So in the swap section, you can see there BNB and Cake. So just change BNB to USDT and change Cake to type TRX for Tron. And there you go. So just click here what you want to swap to. And when you connect wallet, you will be headed to your Trust Wallet home. And then if TRX or Tron does not appear here, you need to add it manually. Just click Add Tokens, search for TRX, Tron, enable it, and then go back. And there it is. That's how you convert USDT to TRX on your Trust Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.